If you're submitting photos to USCIS to prove the legitimacy of your marriage, I have some important tips for you. So USCIS does tell you to do this, but a lot of people don't really pay attention to that, but it's really important. And that is to make sure you include a date and description with all of your photos. The reason for this is because let's say you've been dating for 2 years, but you only submit photos from the last 3 months. Well, what about those last, year plus of dating that USCIS doesn't see as much proof of, at least within your photos? So it's best to include some photos from the very beginning of the relationship, middle, and up to present day. I've also noticed a lot of couples will just send a ton of selfies in with their application. And while selfies are great, you can totally include selfies, you want to include pictures as well that have you, pictured with each other's friends and family to show that you're a legitimate couple who's very integrated into each other's lives. Remember that USCIS wants to make sure this is a real relationship. So if it looks like maybe you just went outside and took a bunch of selfies together in a period of a couple weeks before the application, it might look a little suspicious. But if you have photos with each other's family, friends, on holidays, and things like that, spanning for years before the application is submitted, then that would be considered good photo evidence. If you don't have a ton of photos together and you're kind of worried after hearing me share this with you, it's okay, don't worry. There's tons of other ways that you can show the legitimacy of your relationship, and I'm happy to talk about this with you. You can always book a consultation call with me on my website, hopeimmigrationlaw.com. My name is Sarah Parker, and I am an immigration attorney and founder of Hope Immigration. I would love to help you through the green card process.